Let's plant tomato plants. We will transfer it. Uh, I will transfer it to the soil I was prepared in my recent videos. Uh, this this soil preparation I use wood as a garden beds, and term is hugel culture, or I don't know what is the exact spelling of that in English. The types of preparation of soil help plant dehydration because the wood will absorb water or avoid past dehydration and cold waters. Uh, Suggested position for planting tomates is land to allow the root to allow the stem of our tomatoes to allow them to